Hidden jobs are paying big money. Would you take one if you knew? This could be the chance that changes your life. Some people are making $3,000 every month, quietly, without anyone noticing. No traffic, no boss, no office stress, just a laptop at home and money coming in. Feels unfair, right? While many are stuck in boring jobs, others are free and earning more. These job boards are silent, hidden, and almost secret, yet they are changing lives every day. People are leaving low pay behind and finding real freedom. Wouldn't you want that too? In today's video, we'll uncover the hidden job boards that pay ordinary people big money online. You'll see how they work, why most people don't know about them, and how you can start today. Some of these sites may surprise you, but they are real and proven. Stay with me until the end. You might find the job that finally changes everything. Let's dive in. A secret world behind the screen. There are job sites that everyone knows, like Indeed or LinkedIn, but there are also hidden sites that stay quiet. These are smaller job boards that only focus on certain kinds of work like writing, coding, teaching, or design. They don't have millions of users, so there's less fight for one job. This makes it easier for new people to get hired and grow faster. Many of these jobs pay in US dollars, even if you live in another country. A $500 job online can feel like double in local money if you live in Asia or Africa. Big companies often post here in secret, hoping to find skilled people without the noise of big sites. If you find these boards, you find doors to jobs most others will never see. Why $3,000 a month is possible at first? $3,000 a month online sounds like a dream, but it can be real. These hidden job boards connect you straight to clients who are ready to pay fair money. They don't take high fees, and you don't fight with thousands of workers for one job. Just a few good clients can change your life. One client may pay $1,000 for a design project. Another client may pay $500 for a coding job. Even writing jobs can pay $50 to $200 each, and when you do enough, they add up fast. Many people are shocked when they see how quickly the money grows. It's not luck, it's just knowing the right place to look. Once you do, $3,000 a month becomes very possible. Quiet corners of the internet. These job boards are like small hidden shops in a busy street. People walk past them every day without looking inside, but the ones who enter find real treasures. These quiet corners of the internet are filled with projects that never reach big platforms. Here, small and big companies both look for help quickly without using long hiring systems. You can apply direct, talk to the employer, and start working within days. Payments are often faster and direct to your bank or PayPal. It feels personal and fair, not cold like the big job sites. The best part is that most of these boards don't charge any joining fee. It's about trust, skill, and showing effort. Stories of ordinary people. When you hear about people making thousands online, you may think they are experts, but many of them started as normal people. Students, housewives, or workers wanting extra cash. One student joined a hidden job board to do small writing jobs that paid $20 each. In 3 months, he was making more than his father's monthly salary. A housewife who had no office job before began teaching English online. Within 6 months, she was earning $3,000 every month and paying for her family's bills. These stories show that you don't need to be rich or special. You just need to find the right place to start and take that first step. Skills that shine the most. Not every skill makes money easily, but some skills shine brighter on these boards. Writing, graphic design, coding, digital marketing, and teaching are among the top. The good news is you don't need to be a master to begin. Many people start with only basic skills and learn more while working. Clients often test you with small jobs like a $30 logo or a $50 blog post. Once you prove yourself, they trust you with bigger projects worth $500 or even $1,000. Each small success adds to your profile. Soon you will not need to chase jobs. Clients will invite you. Skills are like seeds. If you plant them on these boards, they grow into a strong money tree. The hidden names you should know. Most people only know big sites like Fiverr or Upwork, but there are smaller sites that give better chances. These sites are called job boards, and they are not too crowded. Some good ones are We Work Remotely, Flex Jobs, Pro Blogger Jobs, Remote OK, and Solid Gigs. Flex Jobs is safe because they check every job to stop fake one. Pro Blogger Jobs is great for people who can write blogs. Remote OK has jobs for tech and design work. Solid Gigs sends new jobs straight to your email every day, so you save time. Some boards are free and some ask for a small fee, but you can earn much more than you spend. If you use only 2 or 3 boards and check daily, you can get good jobs faster. How to stand out and get hired. To get picked, you must look different from the crowd. You do not need a long resume. Just write a short note about who you are and what you can do. Keep it very simple, like I design logos or I can teach kids English. Add 2 or 3 samples even if you made them for practice. When you write to a client, do not copy from the internet. Make your message short, clear, and kind. Say how you will finish their work and when you will send it. Add one free idea to show you care. Clients like people who sound real, honest, and easy. If you reply fast and write simple words, you will get noticed. Building trust with clients, one job can give you money, but trust can give you many jobs. Clients want workers they can trust again and again. To build trust, do your work on time and tell the client if you face a problem. You can write small notes like, I will send it tomorrow, or I am still working. If you make a mistake, say sorry and fix it fast. Never hide problems because clients respect truth more than lies. After the job, ask the client to leave you a good review. Reviews are like doors that bring new jobs. If a client likes you, they may keep you for months or even years. That is how you can earn steady money every month. The struggles along the way. Starting is not easy. At first, you may get no answers, or the pay may be very small. Some clients may not reply at all. This can make you sad, but it is normal for everyone who begins. Each small job you do makes your profile look stronger. Each no teaches you what to change next time. Think of it like planting seeds. At first you see nothing, but if you water them daily, they grow into trees. Online work is the same. If you keep going and do not give up, the jobs will come, and the pay will rise. The hard start is only a test, and if you pass it, success will follow. Your road to $3,000 online. Making $3,000 every month online is possible. It does not happen in one day, but step by step. First, pick 2 or 3 hidden job boards and check them daily. Second, choose one skill like writing or design and keep getting better at it. Third, save your best work as samples and show them to new clients. Fourth, keep sending messages every day even if you feel tired. At first, you may earn $50 or $100, but later you will get bigger jobs. Slowly, small wins turn into hundreds, then thousands each month. Many people have left office jobs and now work from home with freedom. If they can do it, you can too. With a laptop, internet, and patience, you can build a strong income. $3,000 is only the start. Your future can grow even more if you keep trying. If you dream about earning money online, now you know the hidden places where it can really happen. These job boards are not magic, but they give real chances to people who work hard and stay focused. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on smart ways to earn. Share this video with someone who needs new income ideas. And remember, it's never too late to begin your online journey. Your first step today could be the start of your $3,000 success story tomorrow.